Take a ride in the 2016 Yukon XL. GMC Yukon XL is a great choice for families who need a full-size SUV with maximum seating. The looks don't hurt either. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, alloy wheels, wheel locks, power liftgate, remote keyless entry, fog lights, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, front wheel independent suspension. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.